Here, look, I've just bought this. It's a Russell Hobbs. It's 500 watt output. It's supposed to be really cheap to run. Put it up to 30 degrees. It's perfect for small rooms. You can see it. It's even got a little display on there. It was, yeah, £10. Because they said it was used. I think it's just the box was a little bit damaged, but it's perfect. I think they retail at about £25. Perfect for a small space, just to keep you warm.